This is the 2016 Hyperlite Remix Wakeboard boot. We've got it available on Wake and Water Warehouse in two sizes. I think we have a 7.5 to 10.5 and a 10.5 to 14.5. This is one of the more popular boots that we've got in our shop in terms of whether you're trying to set somebody up as a beginner or if you're trying to retrofit an older board with a nice new boot. A couple of the nice features on this: it's got dual zones for fastening your foot into the boot. So it's super easy to work with, real easy to loosen up, to get your foot in and out of, which is really what you're looking for when you're either learning or if you're trying to just go out there and have some fun. This boot will give you decent performance, but it's not really performance focused. It's more focused on, ease of entry and exit, but it does have some other features that I'm going to talk about now that are going to help you perform at your best level. It is anatomical, so you've got a left and a right boot. If you reach inside this boot, it's going to be tough to show you on the video, but if you reach inside, you can feel C-pads on the side that are going to form a little bit of a heel pocket for you in there. That's going to keep your heel kind of locked down, which is what you're looking for in a wakeboard boot. The C-pads will hold your ankle. They'll also set up a nice pocket for your Achilles and your heel that'll keep your foot in place. Again, to go back to the lace system, super easy to work with. You just put your foot in there, you slide up on both of these, slide the lace lock right down in, both on the upper and on the lower, and you're going to get a nice secure fit. These will fit any, what's now standard, which is a 6-inch insert pattern on your board. So if you've got an older board, you can put this boot on that board. You're just not going to be able to use every insert that the board has, because if you've got an older board, say 6 or so years ago, the insert pattern that the industry was using was an 8-inch. This is a 6-inch. You can still put it on there, but you're not going to be able to use every option that the binding or that the board has. You can adjust for angles of stance. You've got about 27 degrees, plus or minus, either way. So again, Hyperlite Remix boot, very, very easy to use, very functional, and decent performance. All at a good price.